Just a quick little video on helicopters and how they are able to fly, levitate, resonate without the rotary blades spinning. Hang on a second. Yeah, they use a turbine engine. Hang on a second. Pull the air through that turbine, resonate. Helicopters don't fly, they levitate. And they don't need those blades to just spin in the air. That's a hoax, because they're just pulling in free air into these turbines right there. They use the blades for torque and like direction control, but that's not what makes them lift. It's these turbines. Using that Fibonacci spiral. Awesome free energy turbine. So cool. Right? And then, what they'll tell you is that the reason it looks like those blades aren't spinning around is because of the pixelation in your camera. No, those blades just aren't spinning, dudes. That thing just landed without those things spinning. Hey, helicopters hover with free energy turbine engines. It's cool.